So as the time is drawing closer to the Renaissance Singles Self-Love Workshop, slated for Saturday, June 4, 2022, you might have seen the first video describing who should come to this workshop. This video will explain why you should come. This video will tell you just what to expect. So here goes. We will start out with a self-esteem quiz. Now don't let that scare you away. There is no pass-fail, and in fact, that your results will not be made public, nor shared with anyone in attendance unless you choose to do so. It is simply a tool that will allow you to know where you stand. You see, not everyone is aware of their true view of themselves. There are many reasons for this, and we will explore these as you will see. Following the self-esteem quiz, we will prove to you that self-love is a commandment. Following that discovery, we will investigate your view of self, the origin and the end goal. Next, given how self-centered our society has become, we will look into narcissism and show the dangers of the societal norms that many have fallen into. Finally, to make sure that you have a healthy view of self, we will reveal resources available to you to make sure that you have a healthy self-image moving forward. The great thing about this workshop is that you can attend in person at the Renaissance Church of Christ. The details are shown on your screen, or you can join us via Zoom video conference. Registration for the Zoom video conference is limited to 100 persons, so don't delay if you choose this option. If you plan on joining us for the live workshop, please call the church office and confirm with them your intentions. Just a quick note, while this is being hosted by the Singles Ministry, everyone is invited because after all, not just single people struggle with self-esteem. Invite all your family and friends and come and be blessed. Scan the QR code shown at the end of this video to register for the Zoom video conference. We look forward to seeing you on June 4th, one way or the other. God bless.